Hi! I know that I promised you a lot of interesting videos about magic gradients and other Xamarin stuffs, but today I get some really interesting, which one I like to open with you guys. It's a box, welcome box from 4Developers, one of the largest and greatest conference in Poland. And this box comes to me because I was a speaker this year online for a conference, and I would like just to open it with you guys and look what we get from that conference. First of all, we get a couple stickers. I love stickers, really. My laptop all in them. Have a couple from Azure, Microsoft Learn, and go to the cloud. Okay. And something quite interesting. It's, you don't believe, it's a Batman duck. Wow, it's awesome, from Ericsson. Okay, what else we have? Oh, it's something with it's water. Should I have taken out? No. Oh, I cannot resolve it. Wow. I hope it's a beer. I know that they know that I love beer. And yeah, do you even caught, bro? It's a beer from 4Developers. Awesome. Limited beer with intensity for medium to high. High saturation of this beer helps keep your mind running fast and smooth. Awesome. Really thanks, guys. I really love to taste some awesome beers. Thank you to provide me one nice bottle. What else? We have the largest thing from the box. And this is a t-shirt or hoodie, and this is a hoodie. Awesome, because right now it's October and it's from 14 to 18 September conference, so it's hoodie with nice 4Developers logo in front of and nothing in the back, and just a black cool one. Oh, great pack, really nice conference, and I hope also the great beer. Thanks you for providing me that welcome pack, and for you guys, in short time should be a video about magic gradient, because we preparing our controls in our magic gradients NuGet for making your life easier, and would like to make it in the right way. That's why it's taking some time. Thank you. See you later, guys. Bye.